So, hey folks, if you've seen my HEPA filter with the activated carbon that I attached to my Bambu Lab printer, it used to be attached with Velcro, but I've updated it now so that it's attached with magnets. Someone came up with the idea of magnets and commented on the original video, and I thought, that's a great idea. But I way overthought it. I didn't realize the back of this box was metal. So one very important detail is to make sure that you get the magnetic strips that have the 3M adhesive backing, not the cheap stuff. Make sure it's 3M. And I'll put a link to the one that I use so that you can get it there. But what I did was I overlapped the magnets in two directions. And just like they do with carpet, I cross-cut it diagonally, and then I removed the extra pieces so that I'd end up with a nice tight seam. But, so here we go. So now it's magnetically attached. And so if you have not seen my video with this filter, the original video is going to be right here. Check it out.